Are you tired of doing repetitive tasks on browsers all day long? Do you need a tool to automate everything in browsers? GenLogin will change the way you work forever. Our app simplifies your web experience and automates tedious tasks, ultimately without coding. You can use GenLogin for various popular platforms like Twitter, Facebook, eBay, Amazon, Discord, Telegram. Myriad tasks like farming account, like, share, comment are all included in automation scripts. You don't know how to make scripts? Don't worry. We provide you with hundreds of free ready-made scripts on GenLogin Marketplace. All you need to do is download, import, and use them effortlessly. GenLogin automates farming accounts, registering, airdrop, checkout, scraping data. GenLogin automation doesn't stop there. The power of automation is not limited. It depends on your creativity. You can create your own scripts easily with a user-friendly interface designed for no-code usage. GenLogin provides users with a graphical user interface (GUI), a wide range of nodes and customization options to make scripts in the fastest way. GenLogin also offers free guidance and support for you to learn automation from scratch. Automation Academy on YouTube, updated guidebook on our websites, free 24/7 support from Telegram group and Facebook group. 10,000 plus users are experiencing our game-changing technology. And you? Try out 5 free profiles now. Get more done in less time. Automate browsers with GenLogin.